Hey, doggy. Stop it. Ow. Ow. Ow, quit it. Good doggy. Ow, stop it. You know, you're gonna get by doing that, you'd be smacked. Stop. No. Don't do that. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Ow, my sock. Mean border terrier. Misbehaved border terrier. That's what you get, huh? Huh? You want that, Smack you. Yeah. 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 I'm just smacking you lightly, okay? I don't want to hurt you, okay? I want to annoy you. Yeah. Yeah. Grr. Huh? Grr. Yeah, smacking border terriers. Huh? Grr. Yeah, being annoyed to you, huh, girl? Grr. Stop it, border terrier. By the way, I'm doing this lightly. I'm not doing this hard. Because, Penny, I'm doing this lightly to make you understand. But really, I'm just trying to annoy you. Okay, not really. But really, I'm smacking you lightly to know this, because since you're annoyed I'm annoyed of you, I'm smacking your face. Look, that's making you annoyed, huh? Stop it. Stop. Stop. Stop it. You want to be smacked, border terrier? Huh? Stop it. Stop it. Smack. You want that? Smack. Smack. Smacked again. Border terrier being smacked right now. Yeah, stop. You're biting my thingy. You're so weird. Stop it. Good girl. Good girl. Not really, but. What are we smacked? You smacked? Smacked me smacked. You me smacked? I'm a girl. Stop. Ow! Stop it. Stop. Stop. Okay. What are you doing? Whoa. Stop it. Yeah, you want to be smacked again, huh? Stop biting my socks. I'm just done with you.